down here in about 30 minutes. We've changed farms, and he's cut us out a spot to start parking everything. Dave's on his way with the semi. I've got almost a cart full, and so we back at it. No intro today. I'll explain why here in a minute, but we sent him to Florence this morning with a load he had on Saturday, and Dad and I, we went up to Lawrenceburg to get a weigh wagon, and had a little small catastrophe. 2-inch ball is what I have on my truck, and most everything I've ever hooked to is a 2-inch ball. But this one needed a 2 5/16. And didn't realize that until I got about 2 miles down the road. Hit a manhole cover and off she came. Let's get this load on him. So I lost the weigh wagon right there on the middle of town. Had to get somebody, actually somebody stopped the jack. We got the jack back up, and then had to have somebody bring us a ball. So that put us back about an hour. He's way too close to this side over here. I think he just now realized it. Well, we've cut half the trunk load, and moisture's checking between 18 and 20% on what samples we have checked. So we're going to try to cut some of this higher ground. You can see the tires, they kind of got out in some mud out here. But I'm trying to get on the phone to see if they will take it, this high moisture. Because they sent a text this morning at 18% or less. Well, we're up here on the hill. Maybe it's checking lower. I'll stop him. He's about got a bend anyways, and we'll check and see. But I'm just wondering if moisture tester ain't off. We done 2 samples on that, one at the bottom, one at the top. Going through the end rows, the bottom sample checked 25, the top checked 17. I'm putting this on the white truck, going to send it to the bin. I don't know how well that's going to dry down, but we're going to run a few more hoppers, more wet spot out in the field, and maybe try to get a truck loaded today. I put it on the dump truck.
Yeah, maybe. They just ate some morning clothes and stuff out here. I believe it's going to get better. Maybe when I get the gut back and forth, it get dry.
Well, we just checked one, 18.3. We're going to put it on the dump truck, send it to the bin. We're just getting different readings every hopper. So maybe after we get away from these woods over here, out in the sun more, it'll be a little drier. In the bin. So I guess you heard that. I'm gonna put that in the bin. So we got most of the field opened up. He's up here on this ridge going back and forth where the sun's hitting it a little bit better. There is no intro to this video, and I'll tell you why. I've been hit with a copyright claim, even though that is copyright-free music. Got a scammer trying to get my money from what little I'm making on YouTube. So he's not going to get it. I've disputed the claim, but right now, what money I am making off the videos they or whoever is trying to lay copyright claims to, the money is going in escrow till it's figured out. I'll bring you back when we got a moisture reading. 19.2.
It's good. I just placed it out flying off the morning road. It's gonna be pretty good going.
I still think our tester's off.
I hope it is.
Well, he's about got another hopper full, so we'll get another moisture reading. And it's still going to be pretty hard to dry in a bin like this. Oh, I better cut that down. Well, Dave's back. He just radioed in, Dad did, 17.5 on this next load, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on him, put the 17.5 on that, and get that off. 17 on this hopper full. So we're about to fill the truck. What's on the top? 17% moisture. So maybe we're good. I'm gonna send it anyways. Lightning field, so looks like I'm gonna have to go work for a little bit. Dad's got the grain cart and the combine full, so I'll soon be full. Sun's going down. Dave's stuck in line in Alabama, and the sky is pretty beautiful. So we'll bring y'all back tomorrow. Well, it's the next day. The load we sent for Florence yesterday, 19.1. Came a light shower last night. So we don't even have the big truck with us. I think it's all going to check high. So we'll bring you back for a moisture reading or something. Well, we've been waiting all day for the sun to come out. It came out, getting humid, so we might actually get some lower moisture corn today. Be nice. Looks like we got a road dragging up there. Well, they had some morning glories wrapped on that road. 20.3 the moisture. So it's going in the bin. Well, there goes another 20% moisture load of corn to dry down in the bin. We'll grind this 20% corn up. It's going to be a high electric bill. How high? Well, I just got a call from Dave. He has sheared the bolt on the unloading auger, so I'm going to help him get that going real quick. And we've about got the grain cart full, one more hopper full. And Dad, he'll be full, so he'll be sitting for a minute or two. Stuff like this is the reason why we can't get anything done. Current situation, this down here is 17.5. We got nearly a hopper full on that. Got that full. So I got Dave going back at the bins. He's gonna bring the big truck back and he's gonna load on him the low moisture, and I'm gonna put the high moisture on the dump truck. Maybe we can get a load of 18 or less on the semi today. Well, I ran out what was on the grain cart on the white truck. It's leaving the field, and got the semi half full, so it's not turning out to be a bad day after all. Well, he went to unload on the semi, and I told him check the moisture, 18.6 down in some of the low ground. So we put it on the cart and waiting for the white truck to get back. We didn't even check this, and we just knew it's high moisture. And we're in a moist spot here. I actually slid when I hit the brakes. Stopped for him to unload. Well, I'm going to put this on the white truck. When he gets back, I'm going up here to top the hill, turn around. But he's going to try it up here to top the hill, see if it's drier. Moist out there. Water standing out there. Well, the last hopper full checked 18.4, so we're back above the 18% mark. So that'll be going in the bin, and it's on the grain cart. And probably this pass here, this bin right here, will be going to the bins too. Well, it's like putting it in a savings account though at the bins. Just cost me a whole lot to dry it down. Well, he's at 18.8 now. Well, we've got the combine sped up and making some waves that way, but now I'm waiting on the dump truck, and I've got a guy hired to run dump truck starting probably tomorrow. But my plan was keep the dump truck going, keeping the semi going, and high moisture, we can't keep the semi going right now. So we really needed the red dump truck. I've got a bunch of crap where I left it outside to clean out of the bed. And after we finish this field, we'll be real close to home for a few fields. But I am gonna get it ready, because right now logistics is what's slowing us. Logistics and high moisture is what's slowing us down. Well, Dave is at the pulled in the field right there, and he must be having trouble getting up that hill. It seems the more we go up it, the slicker it gets. So I'm gonna load him real quick, and I don't think the moisture is getting any better today. I'm gonna say it is a little muddy out here in some spots. We ain't gonna get the semi loaded today, that's for sure. This field is, the ground's just wet on it, so I don't know if that's keeping the moisture up or what. But hopefully we can get out of it tomorrow and hope to find probably drive around and find a field a little drier moisture. Some people here in this part fighting high moisture. I just talked to Jesse Lampley Brothers Farming, and they're 15–16% moisture, and they're just 15–20 miles from me. I'll go ahead and give y'all sunset, and I think this is going to be it for this video. We're going to work a little longer, but not too much longer, so thanks for watching. God bless you if you made it this far. Thank you for subscribing, and leave me a comment, and hopefully the next video will be a little bit more interesting. So we'll catch you on that.